Hello there, boys and girls. It's me, Totally Sue from a new Edbox, and welcome to your second HTML tutorial. In the previous tutorial, guys, I taught you the first and very essential and basic elements that you have to enter into the Notepad++ in order for your web browser to read the document as a website. And now, as for the second, for this one, for this tutorial, I will be teaching you guys a few other neat tricks that you can use in writing the code in the hypertext markup language in order to get your website looking a little bit more interactive, a little bit more attractive, and a little bit, let's say, nicer, with some additional elements. So without any hesitation, let's get down to it. Okay guys, so in my previous video I taught you the concept of entering the headers, and what we did, we entered the first header which is H1. Now in this video I want to teach you guys how to enter different size videos, different size headers. So let's just go ahead and copy the header 1, opening and closing tags, and let's just paste it 5 times. So I'm doing it right now. I hope you can do the same thing. And what I want to do, I want to change the number in order to get the result decreasing size of the headers. So let's go ahead and do that. It would be header 2, header 3, header 4, header 5, and header 6. And then we'll type some text in between the tags. So it's header 3, header 4, header 5, and header 6 for closing tag. Now, now that we have done that, we should type in some text to see it displayed on the website. So let's go ahead and do that. Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to your second HTML tutorial! Exclamation mark. And let's copy this one just in sake of being able to paste the text in the smaller headers, in smaller font size headers. Let's save it with Ctrl S, and let's go ahead and type it in something in between the tags of paragraph. So I'm gonna type some random text like "Thank you guys a lot for watching my videos already," because I have already few of them, and subscribing to my channel! Exclamation mark and a smiley face. Okay guys, I'll put the smiley face here. Okay, now in the previous tutorial, guys, I taught you what the header 1, header 2, and paragraph tags mean and how do they look like. Now you might ask yourself a question, or you might ask me a question: what do these tags stand for? Now the tags with the A letter, they stand for link, meaning that whenever you have these tags, whenever you will enter the information within these tags, it will be displayed on your website as a link. But the first thing to do in order to see, in order for your browser to read this code as the link and display it on the website as a link, there's one thing that we have to do, and what we have to do is type it in href, put the equals sign, brackets, and type the full address of the link that we want to be displayed on the website. So I'm typing the full address with HTTP www.youtube.com/user/new-edibox, and we will land, of course, in the most awesome channel on YouTube for websites building, and that's New Edibox. So now your browser is reading it as a link, but there's one more thing that we have to do, is to type it in some text in between the opening and closing tags, and let's type it in New Edibox channel here and exclamation mark. And it, once we run all of the code on what we wrote just a moment ago, it will be displayed on a website as the link. Now, that was the third element that I wanted to teach you guys during this tutorial, and I would like to teach you now the fourth element, which is image. It's abbreviation of IMG, and it stands for image. And now there are some simple housekeeping rules and a simple algorithm how you should enter the information in order for your web browser to read the document and recognize that the document has the image entered into it. So first of all, I'm going to show you how do you write the code. It's SRC, which stands for source. Then you put the equal sign, and this, in the same way you put the brackets. And now here's the interesting and part that you should follow. Once you guys want to enter any type of images into your files, into your website, you have to type it in the name of the picture just the same way as the picture is as the picture is named. This is of course very basic thing, but it's also quite important to know that all of the pictures, all of the files that you are going to be entering into the Notepad++ sheet and in your HTML document, they have to be placed in the same directory, in the same folder where you are writing your HTML document. So if you have your HTML document placed in one directory, which is called whatever the name you choose, you have to place the pictures, the audio files, the videos and so on in the same directory, because web browser, once you run it, it will read it from one and only folder, and it will pick all the files from there. So keep the picture in there. I suggest, guys, you take the picture, pause the video for the moment, do the same thing as I did right now. Place the picture in one folder, in the same folder where you have your HTML file saved, and copy the name of the image and paste it just right here and type it in just like that, and then resume the video, and you're gonna see the awesome result. Okay guys, so I hope you've done that, and now what we have to do is simply save the file. Now note one thing. Once you enter the name of the picture will be displayed in the original size as you have in your folder, because the web browser just reads the information, and if we don't enter the parameters of width and height, it's going to be quite a big picture. So if we take right now width and height, type it in by this, following the same housekeeping rules, and save it, then the browser will read the document and see that we have told the browser to shrink the image to 20 pixels by 20 pixels. Okay, to make it a little bit bigger, I'm gonna put it 40 by 40, and it should be displaying things in a proper way. Okay, let's launch it in Firefox or whatever the browser you are using, guys. And my computer, since it's connected to 2 displays, it's opening on the second display. There you go, guys. The first result with all the sizes of headers, what we had from the first one to the 6th one, as you can see. And here you can see the paragraph that we entered. Thank you guys a lot for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. That's a very sincere statement. Thanks a lot, guys, really. And now you can see the link that we placed. Now, guys, if we press the link here, it's gonna take us to New Edibox YouTube channel. Later on, I'm gonna show you, of course, how to do it in order to get the result that the link would open in a new page. But that's going to be a little bit later. And here we can see the result of placing the image in our HTML file. So thank you guys for sticking with me for last 10 minutes, 11 minutes as I can see. I will be posting a new tutorial within a few hours or maximum 1 day. And hit the subscribe button so you would be notified whenever I'll be posting a new tutorial. So thanks again, guys, and I'll see you very, very soon.